As a digital marketer, it is not just enough if you are up to date about the latest developments, but you need to be upper to date to maintain the competitive edge. Here comes the role of digital marketing forums, where you can raise questions, discuss with experts, share your ideas and help your business. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and in this video I am going to share 8 best online marketing forums that will help you to grow as a better digital marketer. Online marketing forums allow you to interact with like-minded people on a variety of topics related to digital marketing. Here you will find SEO gurus willing to offer advice on number of issues. You can hang out and discuss your favorite topics at the comfort of your laptop. Now let's talk about the best online marketing forums. Number 1, Warriorforum. This is one of the best and most popular digital marketing forum. You will find informative posts that will help you move to another level. This site is a mixture of experienced digital marketers and newbies. You get a fast response to your questions. Number 2, SEO Mastering Forum is another community which discusses hundreds of topics on SEO, search engines, social media, blogging, website design and graphics, and many more. Number 3, SEO Chat. If you are just getting started in the world of SEO, then you will find this forum valuable. You will find articles written by experts and you can engage with large community of readers. You will find articles on SEO, link building, SEM, AdSense, among others. Reddit Entrepreneurs is a platform of business owners. It is one of the biggest community of Reddit with more than 400k members. Join now to accomplish your business with tips and strategies by daily post of this subreddit. Smallbusinessforums.org, as per the name suggests, this forum is very helpful for small businesses. You will get marketing advice from business owners. Number 6, Digital Point covers a variety of topics related to digital marketing. From design to development to affiliate marketing, this forum has the meat that a newbie needs to grow them. Number 7, Black Hat Forum. There are very few things you can do in the digital space without a grounding on SEO. Just as the name suggests, this is a forum where you can get information about SEO strategies. You will find contributions from various SEO gurus. WICKEDFIRE. This internet marketing webmaster SEO forum is very famous among webmasters. You can join the community and get access to post topics, communicate privately with other members, respond to polls and upload your content. There are a lot of forums that produce quality content every day. While using this forum, your main task is just to be extremely helpful and friendly to be noticed. I genuinely hope that you have found this video to be insightful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I'll personally answer those. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.